Hey guys, this is how to transfer Squarespace to WordPress. So first thing that you will do is simply go to squarespace.com and just simply click on your profile on the top over here and go to account dashboard. And after that, guys, just simply select your site that you want to transfer and just simply click on the three dots over here and just simply go ahead and go to the settings. And now from here, just simply go ahead and scroll down and you should be able to see here import and export content. And after that, just simply go ahead and click on export and just simply select WordPress and just simply wait for it to export the site. Now guys, once it is done, you can just simply click on download over here. And after that, you will have the XML file. And now just simply go to your WordPress. And after that, just simply go to the tools and go to the import over here. And now just simply select Squarespace and just simply upload the XML over here. And from there, you should be able to click on open and just simply wait for it to import. And from there, you should be able to transfer Squarespace to WordPress. And there you go. See ya.